New Year, back in the shed. I got this New Year's resolution. I'm gonna start taking better care of my power tools. And a little bit of general advice for old men is to always keep your tool clean. So I'm gonna start with my drill. This is the Dewalt DCD791. I love this drill. I actually have another one somewhere. This is fairly new. I only had it for a year, but it's really taken a beating this year due to several projects, and it's full of metal filings. I hope that's paint and not blood. It's really, really grimy. I don't think I need to re-grease it. Should be enough with just cleaning it off properly inside and out. Since it's 15 below right now, you can probably see that from my breath, I don't know. So I'm gonna head back inside where it's nice and toasty, and I'm gonna start polishing my tool. Yep, let's go. Okay, it's done. Took me probably a couple of hours. I tried to get into all the nooks and crannies and get all the gunk out. So as you can see, it does have a few scratches, and it has some dirt kind of stuck in the plastic that I couldn't get rid of. And yeah, this sticker lost some paint when I cleaned it with alcohol, and it didn't really stick properly, but then again, I don't need it. The other sticker came out really well. I just peeled it off, cleaned it off, and then just put it back with some Loctite. So that's how I clean my tools. Check out this thing next, and if you haven't already, consider subscribing right about there. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.